Hey friends, this is Jay Author, your host reporting for Make Money reality show for challenge number 1, which is how to make money with auto blogging, and this is episode number 9, where we're going to talk about the website traffic strategies. And if you want to get more information, go to makemoneyrealityshow.com. So this is the website number 1 out of those 5 brand new websites which were launched, and this is StampedeBlasterToys.com. And as you can see, I'm not running any kind of traffic here. No paid promotion. It's all natural, whatever it brings, so it's not big money. As you can see, it's $9.41. Hey, but whatever it is, at least there's some money, and it's running on autopilot. In fact, all the 5 websites are running on autopilot. Now, this is the website number 2, which is MonsterHighDollsDeals.com, a favorite of mine because it was really bringing good money for me. As you can see, week 7, $65.75. And as you can notice from here, the AdSense income suddenly jumped $58.89. And Google suddenly maybe sounds like they might have some kind of system. So they got the alarm and they wrote back saying, there are more ads over there than it should be, and they basically stopped my campaign. And I said, okay, fine. They said I need to fix few things over there, but the list which I had to basically do it, add more content and reduce the number of ads. But hey, this is Autoblog. I really don't want to do anything. That's my challenge. So I stopped the campaign over there and started looking for other places. I have not started the campaign anywhere else so far. I just tried for one day on Facebook, and you can see here that 90 cents I've earned. But hey, I've basically there was no cost over there just because I did it through the normal Facebook sharing, nothing more than that. But I'm not doing Facebook also over here, so I'm planning to go for Bing or Yahoo, and I'll report next week which one I switch on to. So good income, good everything, and as a result of this, you can see, I made $265.54, and my profit is $103.54. All right. So now let me share the next one, which is the SquinkiesToysDeals.com. This is the only one. This is the good news that so far Google has allowed me to run this. So this is the only campaign which is running, sole one, nothing more than this. And I would run it as long as they allow, because as you can see, I made $53.55 the last week alone, which is week number 8. And as a result here, $112.19 is the net total income, and the net income is $56.39. There's something wrong here. It should be more. So I need to fix the numbers later on. Okay. The next one is HotWheelsStealthRide.com. I started running the campaign, but suddenly, as like any other campaign, I had to stop it. And as you can see, I started making money, in fact, but it's a stop now. So my income so far by end of week 8 is 37.75, and pure profits 37.13. Hardly any expenses, just bringing money on its own. So good job on that for sure. But I'm not running any campaign so far for this. So we'll see if I decide to run. This is the Airhawks MotoFrenzyToys.com. No promotion, no paid promotion. It's all free. Again, $3.81. So nothing extraordinary over there. These are the 5 blocks which were done for the Make Money reality show, and how I did and how I'm making money. It's all in my lazy pants. I don't do anything. It's running on autopilot. You can catch up any of that detail on ultimateautoblogging.com. And just to give you a refresher here. These were the 5 goals, and I have achieved all of these 5 goals basically within 4 weeks. So even though this challenge is for 90 days, but I did everything in 30 days. Now, if you look at the total income so far is $544.50, and total net income is $263.86 after deducting the expenses. Let me show you quickly how it looks like on the Amazon and AdSense. So this is the Amazon one. As you can see here that I have sold worth $5,832.90 worth of items, toys I should say, and the total income from here is $404.85. And this is for the Google AdSense. As you can see is $135.65. So so far I was doing great, but don't know how I would be doing next week because all the campaigns are stopped. So let me go back now to the presentation. So now you have seen all the proof and everything. Now you know that. So basically, if you look at here now, I'm running only one website through Google AdWords. That's Squinky's one and nothing else. And that's why whatever money now I'm making money just through that one website. Now I need to plan for that. What should I do as part of my website strategies, or I should say website traffic strategies plan? Should I start the campaign on Bing or Yahoo or Facebook or do something else? But I don't want to go pretty aggressive on this because these are auto blocks, so I want to keep the expenses low. I want to have at least 50% traffic if nothing else. So I might start the Bing, and Bing has the facility over there that you can run your traffic also on Yahoo, and that's what I might do. I would report that next week as I do a little bit more on that. But until then, the main question still remains that what's your traffic strategy? Are you banking only on one traffic source, or you're banking on multiple traffic sources? So that's the major lesson learned through this experience which I had, and I'm also sharing more about this on MakeMoneyRealityShow.com. So you should read over there episode 8 and 9 and get all the information and put that into your business. So with that, I want to say thank you very much for being with me, helping me, supporting me, boosting up my morale in order to win this challenge. And hey, by all means, go to MakeMoneyRealityShow.com and read everything about what I've done so far. Watch every single video over there. And if you need more inside details for auto blogging, and if you want to make money in your lazy pants the way I'm doing it, as you can see, anybody can do it. Go to ultimateautoblogging.com. With that, I want to say thank you very much for being with me. Bye-bye.